Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel again. And in today's video I'm gonna show you these beautiful animals, and these are from Animal Kingdom. So what else is written in this pack is specification, color and contents may vary from illustration. This is made in China. Most of the products, toys are made in China only. So there are so many animals which they have given inside it. So let's not waste time and open it and see how it actually is. So here comes animals. So one by one I'm gonna show you. This is zebra, and this is, I think this is deer. This is leopard. This is fox, I believe. No, it has a long tail. Is it fox? No idea. This is giraffe, and this is the mommy giraffe. So it needs to go like this. Then this is lion, the king of the jungle. Then this is bear and the bear baby. This is again deer, and this one is black leopard, I think so. No, this is the bear. These are the bear, the two pairs of it. So that's all, friends. You can give these toys to your baby and make them learn about the animals when they are very young, because they are very hard, so babies won't eat it. And you just wash and give it to your child to play and ask them what the all animals are called. This way they'll learn also, they'll play with you, and it will be very interesting. So friends, if you like this video, do not forget to subscribe and press that bell icon for more my videos. I hope I have already told you the price of this. If not, it costed me $3. Bye bye, take care.